Papa, Nana, Raji, Rajida, Raji Mama, Raji Chacha, Raji Tauji, Raji Pupaji, Raji Masaji. So many names. And they're all strung together by the same emotions of immense love, gratefulness, and inspiration which you have provided to everyone.
Happy birthday, Raji Mosaji. You joined our family when you married the youngest of the sisters. And as the daughter of one of the older sisters, I just want to place on record how lucky we are that this happened, how lucky we are to have you join our family. I also wanted to thank you for your calm good sense and for your steadfast and concrete efforts on behalf of my mother and all of us. It's a pleasure and a privilege to be celebrating you today.
Here's to you, Raji Masaji, the evergreen, always with a twinkle in your eye. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
So Dad, wish you a very happy birthday, and I've been given around 30 seconds or so to speak, but that's way too less. So all I'm going to say right now is that you are super awesome Dad, and thank you for being there, thank you for always supporting me, thank you for being you, and I love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you.
I love the little insightful wisdoms you have, and I love the bubbly way you spread them. Love you, Nana.
Very kind, and I love you.
What can one say about Papa? One of the most worldly wise people I have ever met in life, and his experience and everything is just amazing and awesome. I feel privileged that I am in the position of being able to call him Papa. Love you, Papa. Very happy birthday to you.
This is the condor, and he is the biggest bird in the planet. His wingspan is of 3 meters, and he is the protector of the people of the Andes. And to me, you are like him. You are always there, high in equanimity, balance, helping all your people, your friends and your family in the best way possible. So when I came to India, I was studying with my teachers, and we were studying how to become a person who possesses clarity, equanimity, generosity, to have morality, and all these qualities. And I have seen you during all these years that you possess all those. So you are my inspiration. Thank you.
Cheers!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Raji, and many happy returns of the day. Today is a very special day. It's your 80th birthday, and I would like to share some of my feelings with you. You know, I have been so singularly fortunate. Life has given me so much, much more than I had ever even imagined. And the reason for that is you, my dear. It's just because you are my husband that I have got whatever life has given me. Thank you so much for that. First of all, after marriage, we went for our honeymoon to Darjeeling. That was, of course, one of my dreams, which came true. Then you gave me 2 absolutely incredible children, and who in turn gave 2 beautiful grandchildren. Our life was complete, and we have lived a very satisfying, happy life. After retirement, we started going abroad, and that was the peak. I mean, I had never ever imagined that I will see all those places that we did, and we had such enjoyable time. Those are really memories to be cherished. But I would like to continue our life like that, and we would still spend every moment of our life with happiness and togetherness. And for that, I wish you again many, many happy returns of the day.
many happy returns of the day, मौसा जी. आपके बालों की सफ़ेदी दिखाती है आपका अंदरूनी निखार. You are always very helpful for everyone and give good advice. आपकी बुजुर्गियत का ये ठहराव, ये गहराई भी कोई कम नहीं है. Happy birthday, 80th birthday, मौसा जी.
Ever smiling, ever helpful Raji Masaji, a very happy birthday. You are always there to lend your support to anyone and everyone. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Mausaji. Wishing you a life full of good health and happiness.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Mausaji. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Raji Masaji.
Happy birthday, Nana ji.
We all wish you
A very happy birthday.
Dear Raji Bhaiya, wishing you a very happy birthday and congratulations for reaching a milestone. You are a calm, straightforward person and easy to converse with. I admire you most for your guidance and advice to the family. We have fond memories of our visit to Hyderabad and Bombay. Many happy returns of the day from all of us.
You are 80 today? I can't believe it. Jaji, you don't look your age. Otherwise, of course, you look very graceful, very impressive, and a thorough gentleman. Wishing you a very happy 80th birthday. Enjoy it to your family, and we wish you many more happy returns of the day.
बढ़िया खुशी का दिन लग रहा है यार. और ये तो सब फॉर्मेलिटीज तो चंदन ने कहा था कहनी चाहिए. But on the whole, it's a very happy day for us.
Raji, welcome to the group of super senior citizens. You will recall that we first met in Iraq way back in 1981, and since then our friendship has continued to grow and grow and grow. We have done many holidays together and very memorable ones. Manju and I wish you a very happy birthday and best of everything in the years to come.
A very happy birthday, Raji. May you always remain your laughing, smiling self.
Hi Raji Bhaiya, wish you a very happy 80th birthday and many more years of happiness and good health. As you celebrate your special day, may it be surrounded with all the love and affection that you have been giving to others. I have always appreciated your warm-heartedness and caring attitude. You have been a great source of inspiration for me. Your guidance and support have played a big role in my life, for which I will always be grateful. So remain forever young at heart and live life king size. Once again, many happy returns of the day and lots of joy, good health and life.
Hello Rajida, wish you a very happy birthday and many more to follow.
It's a pity we are celebrating it virtually, but next time on your 90th birthday, I think we'll definitely be the actual thing and celebrate in a big way. Actually, Sandeep, you know, my session with Rajida has been throughout my life more than 75 years. And you're asking me to say something about him in 1.5 minutes. अरे ये तो अन्याय है क्या है?
नाइंसाफी,
बहुत नाइंसाफी, तो बहुत नाइंसाफी है यार,
बहुत नाइंसाफी.
But I understand that you have to do this nainsafi to so many other relatives also, so I'll accept it. Of course, We joined people, all the relatives, to say what sort of a great person Rajida is. Intelligent, smart, compassionate, helpful, selfless, and I can go on like this. But apart from that, I would like to touch upon a few of the incidents of his younger days, which perhaps nobody of you know, perhaps not even Bhabhi.
हेलो एवरीबॉडी। प्रभा की और अपनी ओर से मैं आप सबको जयराम जी कहता हूँ। Both of us are very happy to be amongst you all to celebrate 80th birthday of Rajinath. Now, I know Rajinath for the last about 55 years. During this period, we have worked and enjoyed together. It has been a very pleasant journey throughout. Rajinath is an excellent person and always found him very helpful. I wish him many returns of this happy day and also healthy, happy life. I thank Renu and Sandeep for giving me this opportunity. Prabha will now wish Rajina.
हेलो राजेंद्रनाथ, आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक आपकी 80th बर्थडे। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सबसे मिलके, आप सबसे। और आप पार्टी तो ड्यू है, कभी भी आएंगे तो पार्टी लेंगे। और बाकी रेनू, तुम्हें भी बहुत बहुत मुबारक रजी की 80th बर्थडे। भगवान तुम लोगों का साथ बनाए रखे।
Hi Rajda, we are wishing you very happy 80th birthday and many years of good health and happiness to follow.
Hi Rajida, wish you a very happy 80th birthday and many more happier ones to follow. Rajida, I take this opportunity to tell you what a wonderful brother you are. You have not only pampered me, but have stood like a rock by me when Vijay was hospitalized. You helped me with so many things even after he came home. I so fondly remember all the wonderful vacations spent with you and Bhabhi at Katni, Bhusawal and Bombay. There's so much to say and thank you for. Time has flown but made our bond stronger. Wishing you many years of good health, peace of mind and a lot of happiness. A very happy 80th birthday once again.
Happy 80th birthday, Mama Ji. How are you? Wishing you happiness all year through. Enjoy your day.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Raji Mana.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Chacha.
A very happy 80th birthday from all of us.
रजी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। आपको याद दिलाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, लेकिन मैं कैसे भूल जाऊँ वो वक्त जब रीना के घुटने के ऑपरेशन के बाद उसका गंगाराम में शिफ्ट करना था और डॉक्टर किसी तरह कन्विंस नहीं हो रहे। तब देर रात आपको बुलाना पड़ा था और आपने डॉक्टर से बात करके सारा मामला सुलझाया। और रीना का ऑपरेशन किस तरह से हुआ ये तो सब सभी जानते हैं। आपकी वजह से सब चीज़ें पॉसिबल हो पाई। आशीष का हार्ट सर्जरी के वक्त आपने सारा बोझ अपने ऊपर ले लिया था, समझ। डॉक्टर से मिलना, सारा हाल चाल लेना और यहाँ तक कि अपना पर्स तक खोल दिया था। हम तो बिल्कुल बेफिक्र हो गए। सबसे छोटे होने के बावजूद आपने हमेशा आगे से आगे हम सबकी मदद करी, सही सलाह दी और हमेशा आपका घर खुला रहा हम सबके लिए। खूब खातिर हमने पाई है बाप। होली दिवाली और राखी पर आपके यहाँ खूब
सबके इकट्ठे होने से रौनक रही। आप आज के 80वें जन्मदिन पर हमारी बधाई, हम सबकी तरफ से आपको बधाई दे रहे हैं। हमेशा खुश रहें, स्वस्थ रहें और आपका हर एक मनोकामना पूरी हो। ये 80 तो वाकई में सिर्फ एक नंबर है। लाइफ बिगिंस टू। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
जयराम जी की रज्जी, आपको ये स्पेशल सालगिरह बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। हैव अ ग्रेट एंड हेल्दी लाइफ। और इस शुभ मौके पर मैं कुछ बातें शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। सबसे पहली बात तो ये कि वी आर रियली रियली लकी टू हैव यू। और दूसरी बात ये कि आपको जितना ज़्यादा जानते जाते हैं उतना ही आपके लिए मन में एडमिरेशन बढ़ता जाता है। आप हम सबकी हमेशा इतनी मदद करते हैं, चाहे कोई छोटी सी एडवाइस लेनी हो या कोई मेजर प्रॉब्लम हो। मुझे याद है बहुत पहले एक दफ़े हम लोग साउथ इंडिया के ट्रिप पे निकले थे और आपने इतनी हम लोगों की मदद करी थी और इतना कंफर्टेबल और बढ़िया ट्रिप रहा था, बहुत ही अच्छा रहा था। और एक दफ़े आपके और रेडू के साथ हम लोग शिरडी गए थे, तब भी बहुत एंजॉय करा था। बहुत बढ़िया दर्शन और आसानी से हो गए थे। और आपके साथ की जर्नी टू नासिक, दैट वाज अ ग्रेट एंड वंस इन ए लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी। इतना मज़ा आया था और आई कैन नेवर थैंक यू एनफ फॉर द ह्यूज पेपर वर्क यू हैव डन फॉर द कालका जी हाउस। थैंक यू सो मच रज्जी। You are a great support for every one of us. God bless you.
Dear Rajji, here's wishing you a very very happy 80th birthday and lots of happy days always. You have been such a support to everyone, especially to my family, and I am really very fortunate that you are so close also. And of course nowadays we are missing meeting you because of this COVID thing, but hope soon it will be over. Okay, enjoy yourself.
Hello Jiaji, a very happy birthday to you and many happy returns of the day. Today is a very special birthday too. आपसे तो जुड़ी हुई बहुत बातें जो हम लोग याद करते हैं। हमेशा आपके यहाँ जब भी जाते हैं आप इतना बढ़िया वेलकम करते हैं, एक स्माइलिंग फेस एंड सॉलिड हैंडशेक, तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है। और हमारी यादें तो बहुत पुरानी हैं आपके पास। सबसे पहले हम शादी के लिए जो हम गए थे नौशा बन के, आपकी ब्लैक फिएट को आपने डेकोरेट करवाया था, उसमें ही गए थे और उसी में हम अंजना को विदा करके लाए थे। तो और शादियों में तो आप बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रहे हैं हमेशा। श्रुति की शादी में आपने रेलवे क्लब का वेन्यू हमें दिलाया था, बहुत ही जो कि बढ़िया था और सब लोग बहुत इसकी तारीफ़ करते हैं और याद करते हैं। तो ये बहुत ही बढ़िया लगा। आपके जब भी आपसे मिलते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है। और आपके यहाँ हम जब भी गए हैं, बॉम्बे गए हैं, कलकत्ता गए हैं, बहुत पहले शायद बीना भी गए थे शादी से पहले, तो आप बहुत ही खातिर करते हैं हमेशा और हमेशा बहुत घुमाते हैं। बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब भी आपके यहाँ स्टे करते हैं। आप रियली वेरी लविंग पर्सनैलिटी, बहुत मज़ा आता है आपके साथ।
हेलो जिया जी, जयराम जी की हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। अब इन्होंने जो सब बातें बताई हैं वो तो बिल्कुल सच है और बिल्कुल ऐसा अच्छा लगता है आपके साथ मिल बैठ के और बातचीत करके। आप इतना सबका ध्यान रखते हैं, सबकी खातिरदारी, एक एक को सर्व करना, एक एक का हालचाल पूछना, ये सब बातें बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं। और आपके पास तो हम लोग सच में बॉम्बे कलकत्ता वगैरह गए हैं जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने खूब एंजॉय किया। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच जिया जी, ऑल द बेस्ट and may the good God bless you always.
In life, one seldom comes across a person who is extremely systematic to the last detail, highly organized in thoughts and actions, is a tough taskmaster, and a phenomenal achiever in professional life. Rajida is one such person. Besides, he is an excellent individual with a helping nature, amiable, compassionate, and a role model in many ways. On a personal note, I have enjoyed the magnanimous hospitality of Renu Bhabi and Rajida on our holiday stays with them in Katni 1967 and Bhusawal 1969. Rajida, how much would you be worth at your age if you were wine? Not as much as you are worth to us, believe me. Rajida, you definitely were 80 well. Jolly joins me in wishing you a remarkable and unforgettable birthday. Here's to many more fruitful years.
Hi Rajida, as we wish you joy and happiness on this very special day, we want to express gratitude and appreciation for the support you provided us in moments of distress and fatigue during Kamal's recent illness. It was always good to know that you were there close by, physically and emotionally, for making quick decisions as and when needed. Thank you very much and wish you a happy entry into a world of octogenarians, many of whom are sharing life's wisdom over a glass of wine in pubs and bars. Life couldn't be better now. Thank you, Rajita. All the best.
Happy birthday, Rajita ji. It's always been such fond memories that I carry of the days I spent in Calcutta at Judges Court Road. Having a preteen of my own now, I understand how much patience and tolerance you must have shown in those days, as I was sort of living without mummy and spending a lot of time trying to get over everything from carpools and jaundice and a variety of other things. I must say that as I've grown older, one of the things that I think I would love to be able to emulate that I learned from you is just how you stay unflappable with the ups and downs of life. And every interaction that I've had with you in recent times makes me more and more convinced that that is a trait that is something all of us could do with a lot more of. Thank you so much for everything, and happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Tauji. Remembering the amazing time, unfortunately very short though, time that we had with you here in Singapore. The one time I think we saw you get slightly flappable, but given the circumstances, it was amazing how calm you stayed through all of that. Really had a wonderful time with both you and Taiji here, though a day and a half wasn't ever as enough as we would hope for. So now look forward to having both Taiji and you back here once this COVID situation is over. But again, take this chance to wish you a very happy birthday and look forward to seeing you soon.
Happy birthday, Tauji. You've always been such a strong pillar of support for all of us. And I know I can count on you anytime for guidance and sound advice. Thank you so much for being there for us. And here's wishing you many, many more happy and healthy years ahead. Very happy birthday.
Many happy returns, Raji Tauji, on this special occasion. And wishing you many, many years of health and happiness and good cheer. And hope we meet very soon. Hopefully, you can make another trip to Singapore or we meet in India soon. But hope to catch up very soon. And now I think Gopal and Leela would like to sing something in Mandarin for you. Come.
祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. A very happy moment for all of us to be with you, completing the respectable age of 80 in such good health. Proud of having you as my elder brother and someone I can always depend on. The other day, while thinking of your birthday
and the times we've had together in Pantara Road, I thought, wondering how we managed to play cricket on that sloping pitch. If I remember correctly, the garden was in 2 levels. Give me a clue. Another event I remember is when you and Renu Bhabhi established your first home in Kota or Jhansi somewhere. Babaji and Badi Chachi went visiting you, and he was so impressed by Renu Bhabhi's singing skills and how she had managed to even get you with it to teach you. And
Happy 80th birthday, Mamaji. It's difficult to capture in words all that you mean to us. You're one of the most loving, generous,
and selfless
people we know. We felt close to you even while we were growing up. But after Papa passed away, you just stepped in to provide us the support that only a father can provide.
We did not even have to ask. You just took care of everything in your own meticulous and thorough manner.
And actually that has continued even to this day. You and Mainji have been there for us every single time we have visited Delhi, opening up your hearts, making sure that we are super comfortable, and supporting us in everything we do.
Yes, be it financial matters, shopping for Anurati's wedding, making our favorite foods and pampering us.
Yeah, thoroughly pampering us. Thank you for everything. Please know that you are loved and admired not only today but every single day. You are a very rare gem of a person, and we are very, very lucky to have you in our lives. We
wish you the very best, Mamaji.
And stay healthy, stay happy. We look forward to meeting you in person soon.
Happy birthday once again, and many happy returns.
Many happy returns of the day, Mamaji.
Happy birthday, Mamaji. Wanted to wish you a very, very happy birthday, and you've been such a big father figure in our lives. We are so grateful to have you in our lives, and we want to wish you a very happy birthday and many more healthy and joyful birthdays in the future. Okay.
Happy birthday, Raji Banerjee. We just wanted to wish you a happy birthday from the 3 of us and wish we could be celebrating with you. And we've had so many good times. You all came for my graduation, and every time we've come to India, you've made us feel so much at home. And now with Amaya, you're her great grandfather, and hopefully she'll meet you soon. So we just wanted to wish you a happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday. Have an awesome day.
Bye.
Hello, Raji Chacha. Wishing you a very happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. I wish you a very healthy and wonderful years ahead. I distinctly remember meeting you and Renu Chachi first time, on our wedding day. That was almost 28 years back. We were particularly delighted when you decided to shift to Gurgaon and in our neighborhood. We had a good time, and I wish you all the very best.
Happy 80th birthday, Papa. Like they say in yoga, Sahasra Chandra Darshanam is a complete life. And 80th birthday marks that completion of having witnessed 1,000 full moons. Wishing you lots of good luck, health, prosperity, joy and peace in the coming years.
Upaji, and thank you so much for your tremendous support over the last 4+ months. We wouldn't have been able to do what we did without you.
Happy birthday, Bhupaji. I think we've always known you as one of our most helpful Bhupajis.
and you've always been there for everyone. But I mean, over the last few months, we've really realized that how much you do, and you've been there for all of us, for Daddy, for all of us, right from January till we've shifted that to the new house, and we've been staying here, and you have always been there, just behind us, supporting us throughout, and it just means a lot to us and to Dad. So thank you so much for all of that. And on this happy occasion of your 80th birthday, I just hope that you'll always remain like this, and may you always get all that you ever wanted in life. So happy 80th birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Raji Mausaji. This is your 80th birthday landmark year, and lots of good wishes for a wonderful year. I have so many very happy memories associated with you that it's difficult to handpick a few to talk about. But I'll share one incident which sort of sums up your position in our family. When Asha was about 5, we had a maid who used to look after her and Shreyas. So one day the maid asked Ashira कि तुम्हारा नानी आता जाता रहता है, तुम्हारा नाना जी नहीं है क्या? तो 1 मिनट को तो आशा थोड़े सकते में आ गई, फिर बड़े कॉन्फिडेंटली बोली नाना जी है, उसका नाम है रज्जी मौसा जी. So that sort of really encapsulates what you mean to all of us. And over the years, I have gone to you for all kinds of advice, personal, professional, and each time you heard me out very patiently, very lovingly, and tried to help in every possible way. And it's been really incredible. And I keep telling my children कि एक चीज़ होती है बड़प्पन, maturity और प्यार, और वो सब Raji Mausa ji में है. He encapsulates it, he embodies it. Happy birthday once again.
Mausa ji, for the last 35 years you have been the father I never had. I am just calling to wish you a very happy birthday and to let you know how much regard and love I have for you and how important you have been in my life. And I hope that this birthday brings you great joy and many more to come. And I'm very grateful for your guidance, for your support, and for your well wishes over the years. And we are very blessed that you are so close to our house. And it's a pleasure to see you every time we come to India. That is one of the highlights of my trip. And I hope to see you again soon. Be well, take care, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.
This video is entirely still photographs. But one thing that won't keep still is time. One nice thing about time is that it leaves behind so many good memories. I remember when you and Renu Mausi moved back to Delhi from the Northeast. Sandeep and I were about the same age, and we got to be good friends then. It's hard to believe that was 40 years ago. I remember visiting your grand house in Bombay 20 years ago, and more recent meetings in Delhi at Hamilton Court. One thing that's been constant all these decades is that your house is one where everyone is welcome, and you're always busy helping everyone in the family. I know that from my own experience. I'm sorry to miss this wonderful occasion, but I hope to be there to help celebrate the next one.
Hi Raji Poopa ji, this is Rajat, and on behalf of Charu, Ishita and self, we wish you a very happy 80th birthday. It's really great, an occasion to celebrate, and we wish you many more years of happiness in the future. Well, when Sandeep told me that he wanted to compile a small video wherein we all give our a small thought about you.
Hello Raji Pupaji, wishing you a very very happy 80th birthday with lots of many happy returns of the day. It's been great all these years. I remember that when I was posted to Mumbai sometime in 95-96, what a comfortable stay I had with you and Renu Bua in Badwar Park in Mumbai till I got a transit flat. And ever since I joined the railways, it's been always very reassuring to know that I could always get some sound and elderly advice from you whenever I needed it, and the advice was always given with a smile. Deepti, Samarth and I wish you a very happy birthday again and wish you have a life filled with fun, good health, travel and all the things that you love. Happy birthday again, Pupaji.
Happy birthday.
रज्जी मौसा जी, एक ऐसा नाम जिसका जिक्र आते ही एक अजीब सा सुकून, एक खुशी, एक तसल्ली भरा सर पर हाथ का एहसास होता है. A quiet, unassuming but extremely helpful and intelligent person, जिनका दिल प्योर गोल्ड का है, जिसमें भरपूर प्यार है और एक जेन्युइन अपनापन है. Always smiling, full of awesome and inspiring anecdotes from his very illustrious life. You have risen to the very top in the railways and have stood by us in all our times of need, and we can never be grateful enough to you for your constant support and help. You are a wonderful, positive personality, and on the occasion of your 80th landmark birthday, we are all here to raise a toast and celebrate the awesome person that you are. Cheers to health and happiness in the years ahead. Happy birthday to you.
मौसा जी, आपको बहुत बहुत बर्थडे की बधाई. May the grace and blessings of Sai Ram make this day and each day as wonderful as you are. Your laughter and positivity spreads everywhere you go. It is your hard work and honesty that has helped you to achieve great milestones in life. You have been an inspiration and motivation to all of us. I would also like to say a big thank you for being with us in times of need and making our lives comfortable. I owe a lot to you. Your generosity, your love, your thoughtfulness has always boosted us. I wish you good health and happiness in life. Seeking your blessings always. Once again, a very happy birthday to dear Mausa ji. We are from Jodhpur. Mamta, Sharad, Richa, Tarun and Pragya.
हैप्पी बर्थडे रज्जी मौसा जी. हम सब आशा करते हैं कि आज का दिन आपके लिए बहुत शुभ हो, खुशियों और प्यार से भरपूर हो और आने वाले सभी दिन आज से और अच्छे हों. आप हमेशा स्वस्थ रहें. पिछले करीब 5 दशक से आपने हमारा हाथ थामे रखा है, चुपचाप हमारी हमेशा मदद करी है. हिम्मत बंधाई है जिसका हमें हमेशा एहसास रहेगा. I have very fond memories of staying with you all at सिकंदराबाद. दिवाली भी साथ मनाई, खूब खातरन करवाई थी. Despite your very busy schedule, your instant and constant help and support during my knee replacement surgery will remain in my mind and heart forever. And every other time we needed your guidance, it was always there. Thank you so much, Mausa ji. Kritika, Abhishek also join in sending their best wishes on your birthday.
Once again, happy birthday to you.
Hi Raji Mosaji, wish you a very very happy 80th birthday. This is a very important day. You're such a special person, you're a thorough gentleman, and such a big support to all of us in the family. Wish you a very very happy birthday today and a wonderful year and life ahead. Thank you and love you so much. Bye bye.
Hi Raji Mosaji, many happy returns, happy 80th birthday. So fantastic. May you have a very very long healthy life. We fondly remember the lovely times we spent with you in Bombay, in your big mansion on Malabar Hill, on the lawns with lovely food and drink, and then also in Gurgaon with you. So much fun. We will do that again, hopefully soon. Please do make a trip to Chicago if you can, otherwise we'll catch up soon in Delhi. All the best again and happy birthday. Bye.
Hi Raji Mosaji, this is a very special birthday, 80th. Wow, so many happy returns and wish you a fabulous birthday with your family and celebrate well and long, happy, healthy life and many happy returns of your birthday. Love you.
Hi Raji Mosaji, happy birthday. I hope you're having a great day with everyone. Many happy returns of the day and yeah, happy, healthy, long life. Congratulations. Have a great day.
Hi Raji Mosaji, happy birthday, happy 80th. Wish you a wonderful day and a lovely year ahead. Look forward to celebrating with you soon in Delhi. Making this video is reminding me of all the fun times we used to have in Bombay, both at Badwar Park as well as in your bungalow. There was a lot of studying going on for 10th standard as well, but hopefully we'll replace the books with the beer next time. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Wish you a very happy 80th birthday, Raji Mosaji. This is truly special and I hope that you have a wonderful celebration with the family and hopefully we all can celebrate together soon as well. Thank you for always being so loving and caring and so welcoming. I hope that we see you soon. Take care. Cheers.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Pupaji. My parents were so proud of you and had very fond memories of their Mumbai trip when they travelled with you and enjoyed your great hospitality. May you have a wonderful year ahead. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pupaji.
Happy birthday, Jayaji, and wish you an even more brilliant innings ahead. You truly are amongst the coolest people I have known. Always pleasant, always welcoming, always at peace. You actually calm a person down whenever you interact with him. It often reminds me of your office on top of Churchgate Station that I visited once, which was a zone of calm and peace with all the hubbub around. You are amongst the first people in the family to have a goatee beard. And Sarnej Jiaji's joke कि रज्जी helmet पहन के गए पर chin guard तो वहीं रह गया has stayed with me all through the years. But it helped the watchman point me to the right apartment when I reached him without an address in Andheri, and he clearly knew what and who was being talked about. I'd like to thank you and Didi for all the wonderful interactions, for making Sherry's house, as the boys called it, a go-to place when we reached Bombay, for the party games that you organized, and all the great stuff that we've had together, and look forward to spending many more times together, enjoying ourselves in the times ahead. Happy birthday once again, and very warm and affectionate regards from all of us.
Hello Jiaji, happy 80th birthday to you from all of us, from Delhi and Vrindavan. It's a big day for you and for all of us. Here's wishing you a very, very happy birthday once again. For you, I think it is very right to say that you should not count the candles you have burnt, but the light it gives out. You should not count the years that have gone by, but the life you have led. Really, Jijaji, we have very, very fond memories of you being with us at every occasion when we invited you, and you made it a point to come. Whether it was
आपको अपने इस खास जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद। जब से मेरी शादी मीता से हुई है, तब से हर मुबारक मौके पर आपको मैंने खुशगवार पाया है। आपका बच्चों से एक ख़ास तरीके से हाथ मिलाना तो इस घर में कोई नहीं भूलता। आप और रेनू दीदी दोनों मिलकर रौनक बढ़ा देते हैं हर पार्टी की। आप खुश रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, खूब लंबी ज़िंदगी जिएं और इसी तरह खुशियाँ बांटते रहें। राधे राधे।
Today is a very special day as we get together online to wish Raji Jijaji a very, very happy birthday as he turns 80. We have known Renu Jiji and Jijaji for several decades, and we have always found Jijaji to be very amiable, polite, gentle and soft-spoken with an ever-smiling demeanor. Both Renu Jiji and Jijaji are very good hosts, and apart from our visits to their home in Gurgaon to celebrate Raksha Bandhan and other festivals, what we very fondly recall is when we had visited them in Calcutta and stayed with them. The hospitality extended by them is something we will never forget. We were at that time posted in Gangtok and were very happy when they visited us too. On this day, Jijaji, both of us wish you a very, very happy birthday. May God always shower you with good health and good cheer.
Dear Raji, wishing you all the best on your birthday. We are really happy to have the opportunity to wish you on completing such an important milestone. It was always a pleasure meeting you and Renu at family functions. I can still recall me and Yash visiting you in Mumbai in 1997, where we were treated to a grand evening and a superb dinner. You had also got some delicious beda roti from Bade Mian, especially for us. We got another opportunity to experience your warm hospitality when we stayed with you during Parul's wedding. Our flight was delayed on that day of our arrival, but both you and Renu were patiently waiting for us till 11 p.m. for us to go together for the Mehendi function. Me and Kamini had a most enjoyable and memorable stay at your home on that trip. Wishing you once again a very happy 80th birthday. Love.
Happy 80th birthday, Mausaji.
Happy birthday.
Many, many happy returns of the day, dear Poopaji. Happy 80th. It's an amazing landmark. And on this occasion, we would also like to say thank you for always being there for us. And we are really blessed to have you in our family. Over to Dad.
Arji, happy birthday to you, Raji. Happy 80th birthday. Okay, here's Shom.
Hi Poopaji, happy 80th birthday to you. And as people say, bar bar ye din aaye, we will come to your bar very soon. And hopefully everybody will get together again once the cases decline. But thank you for all the effort and everything you have done for us. We are your neighbors because of all the hard work. So happy birthday again and cheers to your birthday.
Happy 80th birthday to you, Raji Nanu.
Hi Raji, many happy returns of the day. May you have a long, healthy, happy and peaceful life along with Renu and your loving children. You are an epitome of virtue, very difficult to describe you in a few lines.
We came in contact for the first time in Baghdad, and since then our friendship has grown day by day. Maybe because our ideas and ideals match. We sincerely think that we were blessed to have a friend like Raji. He is full of positivity, affection and honesty. He is so meticulous that he leaves even daily newspaper on the study table. Mrs. Vijay Singh can vouch for his chivalry. He assisted her to wear her coat. We have stayed together many times, whether it was Secunderabad or Calcutta. Raji and Renu looked after so well, just like a younger brother looking after his elder brother. No wonder we feel a part of their family. We have been now in each other's company for a long time and we cherish this friendship. Raji, you are extremely gentle, helpful and ready to use sport in trying times. It is really God's grace that we have a friend like you in life. Both of us wish lots of happiness and peace for you.
Hello Mama Ji, it's really great to know that it's your 80th birthday. You have really covered 80 years of age. It's really great to achieve that much of life. I've just stepped into 62 and let's see how much the life holds. Let's enjoy ourselves to the hilt. Best of luck. Thank you. We look forward to your blessings.
Siempre los cumpleaños son días especiales e inolvidables en la vida cotidiana de los seres humanos. Cerramos un capítulo más y abrimos otro con la esperanza de gozar el bienestar al lado de nuestros seres queridos. Para usted, con su distinguida esposa, amados hijos y adorables nietos. No importa los años cumplidos, sino la satisfacción y los gratos recuerdos de sus vivencias, de sentirse bien con uno mismo y con los que tiene. Metas que usted los ha alcanzado en su vida ejemplar de esposo, de padre amoroso y tierno abuelo. En este día, que marca con alegría el transcurrir de su existencia, sus amigos mexicanos le deseamos salud y prosperidad para seguir disfrutando la vida. Desde San Cristóbal de las Casas, Chiapas, México, reciba un abrazo a distancia.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Muchas felicidades, Uncle Nat. Me da un gusto saber que está bien de salud. Felicidades por esos 80 años, muy bien vividos. Gracias por todas las atenciones que recibimos durante el tiempo que estuvimos ahí en la India. Los recordamos con mucho cariño y mucho respeto. Cuídense mucho, les mando bendiciones. Siga festejando sus 80 años y gracias por todo y nos veremos pronto. Cuídense mucho.
Hi Uncle, today is a very special day because it's your birthday! And it is a great celebration. Even though we share a few days, they were very significant for us.
You left beautiful memories in our hearts, and it was really, really special to meet you.
We appreciate your hospitality and the great moments we share. For all of this, and with much affection, we wish you
a happy birthday!
Hi Pa, happy birthday. So when we are closest to somebody, we tend to be most critical of them. And as I was rummaging through my memories, I couldn't find anything to be critical about. In fact, the more I did that, the more I could recognize the purity of your heart in everything that you've been doing for us. The intent has been perfect. And that's what everybody feels as they record their videos or don't in their interactions with you. In fact, small things that you don't even know you're doing leave such indelible imprints. Like when you were teaching me driving, you said that the mark of a good driver is not his ability to control the car when it's moving fast, but when it's moving slow. And to the teenage mind, that made no sense to me then. But many years later, when I learned about our energy, I learned that it's only when you do something slow that you're the most effective. And you continue, like just this month you gave me feedback about my speaking slower. And that obviously comes from, seeing you speak so fast. I've just been mirroring you. And it's been absolutely wonderful the last few years, especially after your bypass. The way you have slowed down and relaxed, and you're flowing with the energy, fluidly. Like you're not bothered about small change anymore, and that's a big change. So I also find myself doing that, and it's so beautiful. And the best part is that thanks to you, I have a 26 years head start. So you have, with this video, reinforced my dream of so many people having such wonderful memories with you. Thank you so much.
Raji has always been of great help to us, and it is one of those things which I want to tell you about. It was on Neha or Nidhi, I don't remember, their Mehndi ceremony, and Raji was being very helpful. In fact, Renu and Raji used to come from Gurgaon, and Suman and I, we used to go from Munirka to Dhollakwa Club, see the arrangements. We did that for 3 days, and it was just one day before the function that we discovered that the club was providing us mics which were crude old times, and so since the mics are required and singing is a main thing in a Mehndi, we asked the club, don't you have cordless mics? They said, we don't have, but you can go to Gopinath Bazaar, there's a shop and he has it, you can take it on hire. So we both the cars, we went to Gopinath, but to our bad luck we found that the shop has shifted to some place in Janakpuri further. So we had been on our feet the whole day and I felt very tired. I told Raji, forget it, we'll use those crude mics only, doesn't matter. But it is Raji, and that is a quality which I admired in him and admire it today also, that he says, no, we will go to the shop. I said, I'm too tired, I don't feel like driving. So he said, no, Suman and you come in my car. We took his car and went to the shop, and then it was fortunate that we found the shop and found the man. He was very helpful, and sure enough, we tied up everything. Next day at Mehndi time, his men with everything and 6 very good cordless mics arrived, and the function was a great success. So thank you, Raji.
Incidents of his younger days, which perhaps nobody of you know, perhaps not even Bhabhi. During the school days, Rajida had picked up a Takia Kalam. What was that? Arey maar diya papad wale ko. From where he picked up, I don't know, maybe from other movies, but it used to sound very hilarious when it was heard from him. Maar diya papad wale ko. And the second incident took place where when we all, 4 of us, Rajida, Bhai Sahab, Surinda and we used to spend 15-20 days together during our summer vacation at their place, maybe Pandala Road, Mai Road, whatever. And as the Nath Khandan tradition goes, after dinner, we all used to sit on the table for hours, talking, discussing, arguing, everything. And Badi Chachi ji there, she invariably used to be part of this. So one of those days during this discussion, Chachi ji told all of us who were sitting in a serious note, देखो बेटा, अभी हम तुमको पाल रहे हैं, और जब तुम बड़े हो जाओगे और हम बुढ़े हो जाएंगे तब तुम हमको पालोगे. Jira thought for a little while and then asked very innocently, मम्मी कभी हम जब बड़े हो जाए को पालेंगे तो क्या हम अपने कान भी खींच सकेंगे? It was really hilarious to know about it. I think we are reaching the time limit, so I will rather once again say to Rajita, please wish you all the best. Be long life, happy life, contented life with you and Bhabhi. Wish you
And have an awesome time, always.
And they brought along a recording of a tape, where you two evidently sang a romantic song in a boat in the moonlight. Well, is that true? Or I'm imagining it. Well, anyway, if you get a chance, how about taping it and sending it to everybody around? Not long after Sandeep was born, I left for Europe by boat. That made it difficult to keep in touch with all of you for a while. But the old memories of the time spent together as children keeps the mutual bonds so strong that we don't have to look forward to new bonds to tie us together again. During my last day at your place in Gurgaon, and 2.5 years ago, now I felt like I was coming home to my family. It was lovely when you could come to Norway in the middle of winter, though, and you could spend a few days together. We should have had some more time together some next time, so we could sit down and brush up and freshen our old memories, which only we few can share now. Torin joins me here to wish you a lovely day and a happy birthday on your 80th birthday. All the best and a long and healthy life all the way.
When I go back in time, I distinctly remember your wedding, and that was the time when your mother taught us how to eat Loki without covering our nose. There are so many instances where we all got together. I remember all the arm parties. I remember so many great moments of our lives when we sit back and realize that we have also grown old and bald.
With us at every occasion when we invited you, and you made it a point to come, whether it was the birthdays of Aziz and Ishit, whether it was Katha, whether it was Diwali programs. We always had you amongst us, and your sweet smile, your loving nature, your warm hospitality, it all really made you a very unique person. Not made, but you are still a very, very unique person for all of us. And if you remember, it was Aziz's wedding when you all came to Vrindavan. Those days are really memorable, each program which you attended, and then participated, you and Renu Jiji, in all of them. It really made a very, very memorable event for all of us. So thank you very much for being a part of all our celebrations in our family. You really occupy a very, very special place for all of us. So for the kids also, you are very special because you have taught them a very, very warm handshake, which they always do, which I think is between you and the boys, and they always remember you when they meet and they shake hands as you have taught them. So the list of memories really goes on and on. So with this day, the 80th birthday, it's a new phase in your life, and I'm sure your life will be full of joy, happiness, good health, and we wish the same for you in the years to come. Once again, a very, very happy birthday to you, Jayaji.
Raji Poopaji. The first thought that comes to my mind is a smiling, happy person who's very friendly. As a kid, we remember whenever you used to come home, whenever we used to meet you, you would always, talk to us, ask us what are we doing, and you would always, have a joke or something, make us happy, and we were all very comfortable in your company. Then as we grew, we realized that you were a senior person, and we were proud to talk to our friends, our colleagues about you, mention that you are the general manager in the Indian Railways. And anybody we would meet who had some links with the railways or was working with the railways, we would always mention, and they would immediately connect. Yes, I know you. I know the person. And then I also, would like to mention Daddy and Mummy. They were so connected and attached to you and Renu Bua. Daddy was very particular. He would, like to go to everybody's house during the day, meet them, but he would never stay at anybody's place. But with you and Renu Bua, he was, always eager. कि चलो रेनू रज्जी के पास चलते हैं, बॉम्बे में है, चलो हम. And mummy would also be very happy कि हाँ चलो रेनू के पास तो चले जाएंगे. And they would go and spend time with you, week, 10 days, and they would come back and they would be so happy. And they would tell us कि अरे इतना हमने मज़ा आया, इतना लुक आफ्टर किया रेनू रज्जी ने, इतना आराम से रहे हम. They are so nice to stay with. They used to, really be all full of stories about you, how you looked after them and what good time they had. And that was great. Then I remember during Ajay's wedding, the big family we have, and everybody wanted to go to Lucknow with the Bharat. So Daddy said, "ठीक है, we'll have to book a complete bogie in the train from Delhi to Lucknow." And sure, and you were there. I think Daddy had approached you because I remember at the railway station there were a lot of railway people, staff, running around, trying to accommodate us, trying to make us comfortable. And then that's the time I realized, oh, it's Raji Poopaji who's involved in this. So it's great. And now, ever since Daddy Mammy left, we've been always dependent on you and Renu Bua for any major decisions we've taken, any problems we've faced. The first person that comes to our mind is Raji Poopaji and Renu Bua. So, and sure enough, we just have to give you a call and you give such sound advice which, you can just follow blindfolded. You don't have to think. Raji Poopaji ne bol diya. That's the way to go about it. So, also, I would, another picture I have of you and Renu Bua is your travel. At this age, you and Renu Bua travel so much and enjoy so much. That's the beauty of it. We always see photographs of you smiling, enjoying in places, exotic places. But that's your nature. You're always happy. Even, it's not that you're very healthy and, there's nothing wrong. I know you've suffered problems, you've been in the hospital, you've had heart problems, but it's the positivity in you, the way you take it, and for people observing you, it looks as if, dekho, he is fit and fine, bilkul. So that is what is great about you. You take life so positively, you're so happy, you make others happy, and you're the person to be followed. So, it's so great to be associated, to be, in your company, in your presence. I would, to end it, I would say you are the most calm, composed, happy-go-lucky person, very matured, and a very positive person. You and Renu Bua make a lovely couple, Stay that way, and we wish you again a very happy birthday and many more in life ahead. Thank you, Ravi Kubaji. Bye bye.